blueberry muffins with crunchy streusel topping. Hello, and welcome to Uncle Bill's Kitchen. right, now it's finally time to taste this wonderful, beautiful blueberry muffin. Oh, smells divine. Oh, I can't tell you. I wish you guys could be here. My whole kitchen smells just like this. Let's take a look, see what we've got here for the reveal. Oh, just filled to the rim with blueberries. Would you look at that? Oh, oh, you can smell that little bit of brown sugar that I added. Oh, and that cinnamon, it's just really there. Let's give it a try. You know, using fresh blueberries, just slightly frozen in the beginning to give them a little firmness when you're mixing, really makes a difference because they really explode in your mouth when you bite into them. Oh, and the crunchiness of that crumble is perfect. And the just sweetness matches so well with the blueberry tanginess. Oh my God, guys. It's another winner here, and it's blueberry season, so get yourself some blueberries, grab yourself some muffins, and good eating.
Hey everybody, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so that you don't miss episodes as they come out. I want to say thank you to each and every one of you who have been sharing our episodes on your social media platforms. It's really been helping a lot and sending a lot of traffic our way, and I'm doing what it is that I want to do best, which is help people learn how to cook simple, easy, and delicious food. If you'd like to be a bigger part of Uncle Bill's Kitchen, consider becoming a Patreon member. It helps our channel out a lot, gives me funds so that I can buy better produce and give you better recipes on this channel. If that's too much, consider becoming a coffee member. Just buy me a little cup of coffee. Links in the description below.